Hey guys, so this week we'll be learning about changing the subject of an algebraic formula. Okay, so um, this is something that is very useful because we can play around with any formula that we are given. Okay, and it usually involves formula which have more than one variable, so more than one alphabet. Okay, each alphabet is a variable. So in this formula, y equals to 2x. Y is known as the subject of the formula. Okay, so because y is equals to something, so y is the subject. So we say that y is in terms of x. Okay, y being the subject is written in terms of 2x, so y is equals to 2x, so y is given in terms of x. So what I want to do is I want to rearrange the formula to give x in terms of y, so x becomes the subject now. Okay, this is what we call changing the subject of the formula. So to make x the subject, you need to rearrange the formula a little bit so that instead of y equals to 2x, now I will get x equals to something. Okay, so that's my goal, to make x become the subject, x equals to something. So x in terms of y. So y equals to 2x. So from 2x, I want to make it x. Okay, so from 2x, I want to make it become x. What do I need to do? I need to get rid of the 2. How do I get rid of the 2? I divide by 2. Because if 2x divide by 2, I'll be left with 1x. So I'll get x. So when I divide 2 on this side, on the right hand side, I must divide 2 on the left hand side. So my x will become 1x and my y will be y over 2. So I've changed the subject and made x the subject now, and now x is equals to y over 2. Okay, let's say give an example, another one. A equals to 3b minus 1. Okay, so now A is the subject because A is written in terms of B. A is equals to something. Now I want to rearrange so that I will get B equals to something. Okay, so B in terms of A. So A equals to 3b minus 1. So I want to make B stand on its own and the numbers and everything else go to A. So the first thing I do is I get rid of the 1, the negative 1. So to get rid of the negative 1, I add 1 because negative 1 plus 1 is equals to 0. I get rid of the negative 1. So if I add 1 on one side, I add 1 on the other side. So on the right hand side, I'm going to plus 1. Then left hand side also I'm going to plus 1. So right hand side is going to be 0 because negative 1 plus 1 is 0. Right hand side is going to be a plus 1 is equals to 3b. Now I want to get rid of the 3 so that I'm only left with b. So from 3b to become b, I divide 3. So if I divide 3 on the right hand side, I must divide 3 on the left hand side as well. So on the right will be given as b, on the left will be a plus 1 divided by 3. And that is how I now get b as my subject. B is equals to a plus 1 over 3. So that's what I'm doing when I change the subject. I make the other unknown or the variable become the subject. Okay, that's all. See you. Bye-bye.